Well, here's my fleet. Got my first helicopter, the coaxial. Man, that's what got me started. Spent way too much money for it, didn't know better. Then I got the double horse 9116. That was alright. Then I got my HK 250, HK 450 Pro, and my EXI 500. I think I'm going to need another 400 though. I don't really want to mount this 450 Pro in that scale fuselage, the Hugh 500. So I'm going to get another 450 helicopter to go into that. And hopefully I can stop there. This is addicting. Anyway, thanks for watching.